Good morning, class. It's Mrs. Hauser here to teach you a little bit of grammar today. So today we're going to learn about compound subjects and predicates. You guys should be taking notes on your guided notes worksheet today for compound subjects and compound predicates. All right, let's get started. As a review, this is part of your notes as well. Reviewing again, a subject is the who or the what the sentence is about, and the predicate is the action that the who or the what is performing. That's going to be important to know today. All right, these are the two definitions you're going to need to write down on your notes. So I would say you probably should pause this video to write this definition down. A compound subject is when a sentence contains two or more subjects, both performing the same action. So for example, the students and the teachers had a snowball fight after class. So notice that we have both students and teachers. They're both subjects in this sentence. So that is a compound subject. All right, a compound predicate is when the subject is performing two or more actions in a sentence. So it's kind of opposite. So our example for this one is, David ran and leapt into his assigned seat as the bell rang. So David is our subject, and he's actually doing two actions. He's running and leaping into his assigned seat. There's a hint. If you see conjunction like for, and, yet, so, or by those words, there might be a compound subject or a compound predicate. So more than one subject or more than one action or predicate. All right, let's do a couple together, and these are on your sheet as well. So let's underline the compound subject or compound predicate in this sentence. All right, so on this one, if you paused it to try to underline it on your own, if you underlined Batavia and Geneva as being a compound subject, you were correct. So there are two nouns performing an action in this sentence. They're both neighboring towns. All right, next one. Many students love to flip water bottles and listen to music during class. Go ahead and pause this and try to underline if you see a compound subject or a compound predicate. All right, if you underlined flip water bottles and listen to music, then you are correct. There are two predicates in this sentence, so it is a compound predicate. All right, try this one out. The rugged cowboy and his dog ventured into the ravine together. So for this one, if you underlined the rugged cowboy and his dog, notice there is that conjunction there and telling us there's two subjects. You were correct. All right, and then our last one today, compound predicate. The plumber shut off the water and cleaned the pipes. The plumber is doing two actions. So if you noticed that his actions are shutting off the water and cleaning pipes, you were correct. Notice again, there's that conjunction there to help us out and know that there is a compound predicate. All right, your job now will be to go on to your notes. Make sure you have these definitions written down. And you guys are going to be completing grade 6 A4 and grade 8 A4 on IXL today. See you Wednesday.